Hello, 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 and welcome to Money Sprinkles, where we talk about personal credit and business credit. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to my channel. If you haven't done so, please take a minute to go on ahead and do that. This channel is all about education. It is all about helping you help yourself in your personal credit journey or in your business credit journey. Okay. If you haven't done so, go ahead and share my videos with people that you may know that are looking to get into business credit or need to set up a business and they need to know how to properly set it up. Go ahead and share, 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 share. The more people share, the more people know about it, the better it is for us as a community. Okay. Again, today's video is going to be about Navy Federal Credit Union. Everything you need to know about the Navy Federal Credit Union, all the gems, all the tips, and all the hacks that are out there. Okay. So you need to stay tuned, watch till the end to make sure you don't miss out on anything. Okay. All right. Without further ado, let's get ready to start. I stated earlier, let's go ahead and get started because there is a lot to cover about Navy Federal Credit Union. First of all, why do I love Navy Federal Credit Union? Nothing but love. What is that? Like that? Yes, nothing but love. Best credit union in the US. No credit, bad credit. This is the credit union for you. Okay, it's a good place to begin a new credit profile if you don't have one. It is called the House of High Limit or High Credit Limits. For no reason, credit cards are through the roof. It's a stated income loans, bad credit, no credit, as I stated earlier, horrible credit. You get bank issued lines of credit, and it's what you want. It's quality lines of credit. Okay. So if you're interested, of course, if you're interested in joining the Navy Federal Credit Union, I have a video out there. If you go onto my YouTube channel at Money Sprinkles, you're going to find a playlist with nothing but Navy Federal Credit Union. Go through that playlist. It teaches you how to become a member if you're not a military person or family member, aunt, uncle, grandfather, household member. I teach you how to become a member of the Navy Federal Credit Union with a couple of tips and tricks on how to join if you're not one of the mentioned branches of services. Also, um, it is a member of, of course, a credit union. It currently has 159.8 billion in assets. So therefore, guess what? The Navy Federal Credit Union is a place you want to start. Just some quick data points. It currently is giving out $80,000 max exposure, max credit limit for revolving lines of credit. But the thing is this, stay till the end and I'm going to tell you a hack on how you could double that 80K. Okay. So stay till the end of my video. Okay. All right. Here we go. Again, credit union is available 24 hours a day. And let's go ahead and get started with the first thing. The credit union offers credit builder products such as pledge loans. There's no credit checks on a pledge loan. If you're not familiar what a pledge loan is with the Navy Federal Credit Union, go to my video. It is awesome. It is a pledge loan from the Navy Federal Credit Union. It helps you manufacture your own credit profile. So basically, it just makes you lendable. It makes other credit cards see that you are worthy of credit and they will issue you credit cards and lines of credit. Okay. You can manufacture up to $100,000 trade line. That's a manufactured loan. That's all that is. Okay. All right. So let's get right to it with the credit cards. Let's look at their credit card. They currently offer several credit cards. These are the things that they include: 24/7 access, no balance transfer, ability to freeze and unfreeze your card, which is great if you happen to misplace your card. Low rates, an average credit card APR that's 5% lower than the industry average. That is definitely correct. I currently have 3 credit cards from Navy Federal, and that is definitely the lowest APR. Zero liability for unauthorized transactions, fraud notification, access to your credit score. Again, you can look right here what type of credit cards they have. The cash rewards is probably one of the first ones. Actually, no, let's go back. The Go Rewards, if you do not have a credit card with the Navy Federal Credit Union and you're getting ready to start, I would definitely apply for this one right here, Go Rewards. But as you see, you have the cash rewards, you have the platinum, you have the Go Rewards, and then you have their flagship credit card, which is the Visa Signature Flagship Rewards. That is, and then American Express stamped, but it's not an actual American Express, as in like you are in the American Express ecosystem. What I want to highlight here is the N Rewards Secured Credit Card. This is the one that if you need to rebuild and repair your credit, this is the one you want to go with. I have a video on the N Rewards Secured Card. And this is a N Reward secure card that definitely graduates. So this is one that you would want to apply if you have bad credit, no credit, and you need to start working on your credit. Okay. The N Rewards is a hard pull from TransUnion. You could pre-qualify. 80 to 90% of people are approved for the credit card. All you need is $200 into your savings account. After 3 months, they'll review for an increase, and then after 6 months they may graduate you to an unsecure. If they graduate you to an unsecure, you're either going to get the cash rewards or you're going to get the gold rewards. Okay, so you can't go wrong by um, going with the N rewards if you are struggling somewhat with your credit. Okay, let's go into some of the personal loans. Okay, so I do want to note that if you see the pre-qualify me button on here on the Navy Federal Credit Union, this right here is strictly and solely for members. So if you're not a member, do not press that button because it's going to ask you automatically for your user ID and your password. Okay. Always keep in mind that the personal products always pulls from TransUnion. So let's see what kind of loans that they have. They have the personal expense loan, home improvement loan, debt consolidation loan, savings secure loan, certificate secure loan. And as I stated earlier, those are considered, for instance, they have the pledge loan as well. Okay. Um, they're rather easy. Everything is done online. If there's not a whole lot of process when it comes to their personal loans, you could get up to 50,000. You could use it for whatever. It's a stated income, no documentation. All you do is sign a promissory note. It's a hard pull from TransUnion, and then you have instant funds. Okay, so their personal loans are amazing. Let's go over here real quick to the home equity loans. Home equity loans is quick cash, great for home repairs, 25K minimum, and up to 180 months to pay it back. Okay, so you have different options when it comes to the home improvement loans. You have the fixed rate equity loan, and you have a home equity line of credit. Again, outstanding options when it comes to home improvement loans. Your auto loans, I also have a video on the auto loans. The wonderful thing about Navy Federal is, oh my God, the auto loans, you could go up to 96 months. You could get approved up to 100K. It's a TransUnion hard pull, and you could get pre-approved before shopping. I mean, it's stated income. How can you go wrong? How can you go wrong? You cannot. All you do is take that check to wherever you're looking at to buy, and basically what they do is they give you a check. Check is in the mail. Boom, there you go. Okay. All right. Let me rewind real quick when it comes to the credit cards. I just want to go over something real quick. So, if you're looking at the credit cards, your Go Rewards is like the entry level basic credit card. This is your beginner credit card right here. This is the one you want to start with. The Cash Rewards is good for cash back. I definitely have that one. The Platinum card is good for a low APR rate. As you can see, 8.99. You see that? It's probably the lowest that you're going to find. And the Amex More Rewards card is the best rewards card out there right now. But just keep in mind that the reward card does not work with the Go Prepaid card hack. If you don't know about the card hack, you need to go over to my videos and look for it, okay? It is how to get cash and liquidate your cards by using the Go Prepaid Navy Federal Credit Union credit card. And of course, the flagship of all, this one right here, as I was talking earlier, max limit is 80K. It definitely has an annual fee of $49. Remember, if you do get an $80,000 credit limit with the flagship from the beginning, that is the max that you could have with Navy Federal Credit Union is 80,000. So you won't be able to get any other credit cards if you get a flagship of 80K. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right, let's move on over to the business solutions, which it is outstanding. It currently has a business checking account. I don't have it currently with my business, but I had it for my previous businesses, and it was a really good checking account. I like it. No monthly service fee. I'm currently with Bank of America. I'm looking to change. I'll make that change here real soon. But um, keep in mind that the business products always experience personal hard pull. Okay, that's a data point for the business checking account. You must have a checking account first before you can apply for any credit cards or anything like that. And of course, in the business checking account, if you have partners, all the partners must also be good standing members of the Navy Federal Credit Union. If they're not, you will not be able to have them or open up this business checking account. Okay. Um, so just make sure that, like I said earlier, all owners that are going to be on this checking account are members of the credit union. Um, they have several options. They have the checking, the plus checking, and the premium checking. Again, um, they have service fees, but again, it varies. So just look into it. I definitely want to talk about the Go Business debit card. Okay, so you have the Go Business credit card, no annual fees, cash advance up to 30%. No fee for cash advances, but interest accrues immediately. Okay. You may call for convenience checks. It pulls Experian personal credit report, as I said earlier. It won't report to your personal credit. It won't report to your business credit, but it helps you build credit because now you could use it and you could lower your utilization on your personal side. This credit card doesn't report to your personal, so there you go. You just throw it in, put it on your Go Business debit card. This credit card, what a lot of people also don't mention is that it can also be a Visa or it could be a MasterCard. You could choose and select which one. Okay. And of course, a personal guarantee is required with the GoBiz Rewards credit card by Navy Federal Credit Union Business Solutions. Okay. All right. So let's go over here to the business loans. They have a plethora of business loans that are available as well: commercial real estate loan, business lines of credit. Again, you need it, go ahead and apply. Vehicle and term loans. Again, if you want to get ahead and get your business auto in Navy Federal, you could use their business solution loans. Business membership. I'm telling you, they have every loan that you could think of. Okay. Now, let's get to the juicy part of this video, which is the Navy Federal Credit Union hacks that you need to know. One, instant stated income loans up to $50,000 on your personal loan. Boom. I already discussed it, told you earlier. Number two, stated income auto loans. Okay. Your auto loans are stated income. That's it. Okay. Number three, soft pull credit line increase through the app. If you call, it will be a hard pull. I would not do it every 100 days, as a lot of people state. I would wait at least 6 months to do the credit line increase. Let's see. Number four, I'm not going to give out because I'm going to have you pay for that. Yeah, no, just joking. Those I'm not going to share right now. When I was talking about the Go Prepaid hack, um, watch my video. There is a way that you can liquidate your credit card as long as it's not the American Express. You can liquidate your Navy Federal Credit Union credit cards by using the Navy Federal Credit Union Go Prepaid cards. I will pull it up real quick here for you so you could see it. Let me. All right, let's see. Let's see, Navy Federal Prepaid real quick so you could see it. Prepaid. See the Go, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Um, and that's pretty much it. I am not going to be giving out all my gems and hacks for the Navy Federal Credit Union. Oh, except this one that I did say at the beginning that I was going to share. This is the fifth hack and the last one that I'm going to share in this video. And it's when I said you could go from 80,000, you could double that. Okay, what I'm talking about is you can apply for accounts as individuals. If you are married and you decide that I can't bring it up right now. Okay, if you are married and you decide to apply for a credit card and you apply for a credit card as a joint, you are doing a disservice to yourself and to your spouse. If you have separate accounts for you and your spouse, you could double up on those credit limits. Okay, so instead of having $80,000, you could have 160. Okay, look, that's it. I'm not going to keep sharing all my tips and tricks on the Navy Federal Credit Union. I have to share some for another time or for another video. And just to make sure that you keep coming back to watch my videos. Okay. All right. I hope this video has helped out and hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching. If you haven't done so, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay.